Haskell code is organized into modules which export functionality, which can then be imported into other modules and scripts as they are needed. Let's consider a simple example to illustrate the basics of importing. Haskell defines a type known as int8, which can store any integer value between -128 to +127. However, this type will not be included in your script by default, and so if you want to use it, you need to import it. For our purposes, right now, we just need to know about the simple form of the import statement. We will look at different ways of importing as well as Haskell modules in more detail in a future section. Let's say we want to use the int8 type in our script. All we need to do is add an import declaration at the top of the script. This declaration tells Haskell we want to import the data.int module. Everything that the module exports will then be available to use. In our case, we just want to use the int8 type, which is one of the things exported by the module. Since we've imported it, we can then use the imported type within our script. Remember, it is important that the import declarations are placed at the top of the script. If you place the import declaration somewhere else in the file, after other things like function declarations, then you will get an error like so. That's pretty much it for now about simple imports. This video is a clip from a longer video for beginners starting with Haskell. Check that out if you would like to see all of the content. Also check out the entire Introduction to Functional Programming with Haskell course on the Learn channel. See you next time.